Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get a Spotify Premium for free in 2025 using legal and working methods. No hacks, no cracked apps, just real ways to enjoy ad-free music, unlimited skips and offline listening without paying. Let's dive in. So, method 1 is using Spotify's free trial. Open Spotify, log in using your user credentials, and Spotify offers 1 to 3 months free trials for new users. So here's how you can claim it. Go to spotify.com or open the Spotify app and click on your profile icon, then click on settings and privacy. Now navigate to account and click on your plan and upgrade to a premium plan. Select the free trial offer that will be available for new accounts, sign up with a new email and a new payment method, and enjoy Spotify Premium free for up to 3 months. So, I also have a pro tip for you. After the trial ends, you can use a new email and payment method to repeat the process and enjoy a Spotify Premium free trials. Now, method 2 is joining a Spotify plan for free. So, you can ask a friend or family member with a Spotify Premium family plan to add you. They can invite up to 6 users under one account. So, you can enjoy full Spotify Premium benefits for free. This method is 100% legit and safe. Now, method 3 is using a student discount trick if you are a student. So, Spotify offers a 50% discount plus 1 month free trial. And in order to claim this, go to Spotify's student discount page and you'll have to verify your student status using Share ID and get premium for $4.99 per month or free for the first month. There's a pro tip. You can use a friend's university email to get the discount if you're not a student. Now, method 4 is look for Spotify's giveaway. So, you can check out Reddit r/Spotify, Twitter and Discord for giveaways. You can follow tech influencers on YouTube or Instagram who offer Spotify gift cards. So, keep an eye on the Spotify's official promotions because sometimes they give free months. And that's how you can get a Spotify's Premium for free in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.